Students, in this class we will talk about another case for the hyperbola, the transverse axis being parallel to the y-axis. In the previous concept we were talking about transverse axis parallel to the x-axis. In this case the transverse axis is parallel to the y-axis. So let me draw the hyperbola. So this is going to be x-axis, this is going to be y-axis. So I'm stretching this a bit so that it can allow me to draw the hyperbola. So the hyperbola is something of this form. Okay, so the center, I'm just taking the center to be below the axis line, and we got, of course we will have the foci. The foci will be over here. Okay, this is going to be S, this is going to be S dash. The vertices are also there. This is going to be A, this is going to be A dash. Now I want to draw the asymptotes. The asymptotes are straight lines that passes through the center of the hyperbola but never touch these curves. Okay, so the asymptote is flowing like this, and similarly, okay, the asymptotes are flowing like this. Okay, they are straight lines that never touch the curves. So the form of the hyperbola, so that is critical. Okay, the form of this hyperbola is, this is going to be y negative k raised to the power 2 divided by a squared negative x negative h raised to the power 2 divided by b squared is equal to 1. Okay, so this center which we are talking about is C of h comma k. Okay, so this is a very important concept, the form of the hyperbola in this case. Now the coordinates, let me write it down. The coordinates of the vertices are, so we got two vertices. It's going to be a of h comma k positive a and a dash of h comma k negative a. This is for the vertices. The coordinates of the foci are, we need to get the coordinates of the foci. So we got 2s is going to be h comma k positive c, and s dash is going to be h comma k negative c, where c squared is a squared plus b squared. Next, the directrix. The directrices are y. Okay, y is equal to k positive a over e, and y is equal to k negative a over e. So that completes the cases for our context, the hyperbola. We will proceed on to do questions related to the hyperbola in the following classes.